What's up, everybody? Jason Jani from the SCE Event Group, right here in the house of the incredible Clarks Landing Yacht Club. I want to invite you to check out this incredible wedding that we're about to host for Patrick and Michelle. Just sit back, enjoy the footage. If you're not yet connected to us, please visit us online at sceweddings.com or scefanpage.com. My name is Jason Jani, and this is how we do incredible SCE Event Group weddings.